Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're at J&S Hamburg off of South Airport. We're going to head in and get some breakfast. We're really excited to show you everything they have to offer. They have a great menu and they do a lot for the community. Let's head in and grab a bite to eat. Project Feed the Kids here in northern Michigan is doing incredible work to make sure no child in our community goes hungry. Their mission is simple but powerful, providing nutritious meals to local kids who need them most. The impact they're making is truly inspiring, and if you're looking for a great way to give back, this cause is worth supporting. Now let's talk about the diner. From the moment you step in, you can tell this place isn't your average breakfast spot. Designed with an airport hangar theme, the diner is packed with aviation-inspired details that make it stand out. Large clocks in the walls display different time zones around the world, giving that real airport feel. And subtle nods to flight history are scattered throughout the space. We started with some fresh coffee and it was brewed fresh, it tasted great. I added a little bit of cream and sugar to mine and was well balanced. Our daughter got a nice large glass of orange juice and you could tell it was fresh.
I got stuffed biscuits and gravy, which had 2 homemade biscuits stuffed with hash browns and eggs, American cheese, and were covered in sausage and gravy. The gravy was very flavorful and had a peppery kick. The biscuits were nice and fluffy. I really recommend it. My favorite part was how the eggs were so cheesy and delicious. My meal was very good.
For my meal, I got the Traverse City platter, which was 3 eggs, I had them cooked medium, with shredded hash browns, which was my choice of potato, and you get a choice of protein as well. I chose crispy bacon with a side of white toast. The Traverse City platter was a nice, hearty breakfast that really hit the spot. One of the things I enjoyed was the fact that I could customize it. My medium eggs were cooked great. The yolks were slightly runny but still firm enough to mix with my hash browns. And speaking of the hash browns, they were cooked exactly how I like them. Crispy and golden brown on the outside with a soft, warm interior. The bacon was perfectly crispy with a rich, smoky flavor, and the toast rounded everything out great. We also got the Western omelet, which had fluffy eggs, diced ham, green peppers, onions, mushrooms, American cheese, and was served with toast. This was a textbook example of how to do a fully loaded omelet right. The eggs were cooked light and fluffy, holding together a generous amount of toppings. The ham was diced into the perfect bite-sized pieces, and the sauteed green peppers, onions, and mushrooms added a nice mix. This was well executed and great. Everything about this place, from the carefully designed aviation theme to the fresh, well-prepared food, made for a great breakfast experience. Alright, we're just wrapping up here at J&S Hamburg. That was a great breakfast. I loved my sampler platter. There was plenty of variety. The hash browns were crispy, so was the bacon, and that omelet was great. My wife loved it. And that stuffed biscuits and gravy was a great choice. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. We can't wait to bring you on our next adventure. Talk to you soon, and until next time, we'll see you on the next guide.